Okay guys, I'll show you everything I can about the car. Alright, hang on, let me get it started so you can see that it runs. Alright, as you can see, it has a boost leash boost controller. It has a boost leash boost controller, HP N gauge. Here's the oil pressure gauge, the boost gauge, and an AEM wideband. I had a sensor for the AEM wideband and I lost it because there was so much crap we were doing to my car and we were moving stuff back and forth, and I lost that part. But you just need to get a new sensor. I forgot how much it is, like $70, $80. I just haven't done it yet. I've been lazy. I have an MTW race spec shifter in the car. It has a stainless steel McLeod clutch line. It has a spec clutch and a aluminum flywheel. And it also has a 4-inch aluminum drive shaft. There's the N2MB wide open throttle box. I had the kick panel off. I was messing with it. So it's normally attached Velcro to the side of this. Here's the Water-Methanol Kit. I mean, it's still in the car. I just haven't hooked the bungs up into the intake, but that's what you got to do with that. See, I can verify it all works too. There's a switch for the Water-Methanol. You can see the car is running and idling right now. All right, I'll go outside and show you guys around the outside of it. Oh, here's the back seat and stuff. Oh, I forgot to show you guys here. I'll show you guys this real quick. Hang on. Has a light up pony back there with an amp. Anyways, show you guys the trunk. Oh, I also mentioned, okay, so the windshield is cracked, as you can see right here. It was like that when I had the car, but it hasn't spread any, it's just kind of been sitting there, so take that as you want. The back window tint has some bubbling going on, and the deck lid is peeling off some. I kind of have some electrical tape on it to help hold it down, and I was going to get a new one when it got warm out because it'd be easier to adhere to the deck lid. But anyways, it's a 5-gallon AEM Water-Methanol Kit. There's the pump. You can see I have speakers in here. But anyways, there's the amp. Oh, it has some race stars on it, and I'll show you guys the suspension. So as you can see, the car has BMR lower control arms, the relocation brackets, Viking double adjustable shocks, and it's the upgraded Crusaders. And it also has an adjustable panhard bar and a BMR upper control arm. The front is strange single adjustable front shocks. Oh, and you can see it has drilled slotted rotors, which I can't. Trying to. It has BMR drag springs, but they're too low, so I had to put the stock springs in there. So me and my brother are trading springs, so it'll have stock springs because it's just too low, and then when you go over bumps and stuff, it starts rubbing. Anyways, there's the front of your car. The front bumper has some scratches here and there from where it was off the car so long. Anyways, I'll show you under the hood. Alright, it's a J&P twin turbo kit with on-3 61mm turbos. Has a tile blow-off valve and tile wastegates. Oh shit, I dropped the hood. Anyways, the engine build could, hang on, I'll show you guys. Oh, the car is also a return style fuel system. The fuel pump's a 2013 to 14 GT500 fuel pump. And I have a an Aeromotive fuel regulator, and I have some 1300 cc injectors. They're injector dynamic injectors. The block is it's sleeved and bored to a 3.9 liter. It has diamond pistons, manly rods. The crank is stock. It has boundary billet oil pump gears. It's dang, I'm getting tired. Anyways, boundary billet oil pump gears. What else is in it? Ported polish heads. Has ARP studs everywhere. Trying to think of what else is worth mentioning. The rod main bearings, the king bearings. I mean, everything's pretty much been upgraded. It holds, it works. I mean, the two-step works on and everything, so I don't know. Now that it's warmed up some. See, the two-step works on it, even though it goes into lit mode after a couple minutes. But besides that, I mean, radio works. Oh, AC isn't hooked up. We didn't hook up AC. The AC line we had to extend to fit for the turbo stuff, but the heat does work. So heat works, but the AC does not. Here, I'll go show you the line if you want to see it. I'm trying to think of what else is there. That sums it up. Oh, on the door sills, the leather part came off from sitting out in the sun so much. So that kind of came off. I think that's why the back window tint bubbled and stuff as well. WeatherTech floor mats. Oh, there's also more stuff for the car. I have to put this stuff in and I haven't done it yet. I had the front wheel well liners. I had a radiator cover, but it started chipping a little bit and peeling. It was painted to match the car. There's this. Got a GT grill insert. And I'll go show you what else I have in the garage. Pile of car stuff over here, hang on. The wheels are like 05 GT wheels. They're just sitting in the garage. I mean, they have a lot of tread on them, so. They're just random crap in here. That's a booster pump. Here are the wrong bearings for my car that somebody gave me. These are king bearings as well. There's the injector dynamic box. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff.